Continue. Next one is also very popular, is diapers. It is permitted to fasten diapers with a safety pin, even by the threading through the diapers twice, since the pin will surely be removed when diapers are changed. So, okay, so that's in this case the diapers. For sure, you're doing it only for a few hours. So, in some babies, like this adhesive do not work, so they do these safety pins. No problem, right? Because for sure you're going to remove them. We don't worry about it. Okay. It is also permitted to fasten the disposable diapers with adhesive tabs, but one must be sure to unfasten the tabs when removing the diapers. So, like, yeah, you can like put the adhesive tab, but when you remove the diapers, don't just pull the diapers. That would be a problem, because the things are going to be attached forever, right? So you have to undo them, these tabs. Right, when disposing the diaper, one must not fasten adhesive tabs to the diapers, and that's what all people do, right? Because you want to stench as stay inside, and it's that's what people do, right? They attach these tabs to the diaper itself, and that's what is absolutely forbidden, right? Because it's for sure forever. So you just leave it in place, put in the bag, and if they get stuck together in the bag, it's not your business. So because I did not want it, I did not plan for it, it got stuck in the bag by itself. That's it. That's a different story. Okay. Continue. As in the case of Band-Aid, some poskim state that one should not unfasten adhesive tabs and new diapers on Yom Tov, but should unfasten and reattach them temporarily before the Yom Tov. Okay, so same idea. There is like this plastic tabs. So some people say just remove and put back before the Yom Tov, but I think we can follow Rav Moshe Feinstein and just remove them, because it was done in a way to be temporary, and that is actually the same. Before we continue, the same with no, it's actually next food packages, right? But quickly, so if it like a glue shut very lightly, there is no problem to open such a things on Yom Tov. But sometimes you have such packages, it's impossible to open, right? So that's for sure you're not allowed to open. Right, because it was done permanently. Often the ends of the disposable diapers are fused together in a factory and must be torn apart for the diapers to open. Okay, this fusing occurs unintentionally when the diapers are cut. Okay, and when they're compressed in packages. The melacha of chilling does not pertain to the item were attached unintentionally, and therefore it is permitted to peel open these diapers. So, meaning because of the heat, when they were doing that, sometimes the sides of the diapers they stuck together, so that there is no problem. You can tear them off. Because why? Tear them apart, because it was unintentional. That's right. So no problem. No problem. Next one, F, sanitary napkins. It is permitted to fasten sanitary napkins to the undergarment on Yom Tov by means of adhesive tapes, since the napkins tend to remain attached only for a short period of time. Again, the same thing with napkins and clothes, and when disposal, just put it in a bag and that's it. Right? No, don't use these adhesives to keep the sides together.